today I got a different video for you guys today. I'm gonna take you around Chicago today. I got a boat cruise and I got a surprise coming after the boat cruise as well. So stick around to the end of this video so you can see the entire video, so you can see what's happening in Chicago, why you should move to Chicago, all right, and why Chicago is the greatest city in all of the US. All right, let's go. If this is your first time on this channel, you want to know everything there is to know about living in Chicago and the neighboring suburbs, subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Chicago. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Marley here with my team, and we get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you. Yeah, that's right, just like you, looking to make that move to Chicago, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, it does not matter. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so we can help you experience things like this in Chicago. All right, follow me. Let's go. Today we're going to get on one of the cruises that cruises around the pier today. We're going to go see the skyline and have lunch. So this is something that you can be doing right now here in Chicago. Right, it's summertime shot STC, so get out here, right, come see us. Promise, you know, that I intend to keep. From the moment we met, my world has become brighter and my heart has found a home. I love what we have built so far, and I can't wait for what is to come. You are my best friend, my confidence, and the love of my life. Every adventure we share and every challenge we face has brought us closer together. So today, I want to make you another promise.
Okay.
One that will last a lifetime.
Oh. What are you doing?
Jada, will you marry me? second part of our day here. I hope you enjoyed the first part. I'm about to take on another journey to the Color Factory of Chicago, so stay tuned so you can see what it's all about. Let's go. Out here with the balloons. Alright, we're gonna go down the slide. So go down the slide. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And that is a wrap. I want to thank you for sticking around to the end of this video today. If you like what you saw today, give us a like, shoot us a comment, subscribe to the channel so you cannot miss out. All right, we got videos coming out every single week. All right, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date. And if you're also thinking about moving to Chicago, right, let us know. Right, we had a great day here in Chicago today. That could be you. Just come out here and visit if you've never been here and experience all that Chicago has to offer. I'm telling you right now, it is a great city. All right, but again, thank you for sticking around to the end of this video. Until I see you again in Chicago. Peace.